Hello and welcome. I'm Dr Alex Button. I'm a clinical psychologist and EMDR Europe accredited therapist, consultant and trainer. All my EMDR trainings are approved by the EMDR Europe Association. My journey with EMDR began in 2008. I qualified as a clinical psychologist in 2006, and my training was predominantly CBT and psychodynamic approaches, although latterly I was heavily involved in person-centered approaches because I felt like this just fitted better with who I am as a therapist and how I want to be in the space with my clients. I was working in the CMHT in Birmingham at the time and felt like I hadn't quite found a therapy that really fitted and achieved the results I wanted it to. And that's when I came across an advert for EMDR in a professional magazine. I realised I'd heard of this on my clinical training, but very briefly, and honestly was incredibly sceptical about how on earth moving your eyes back and forth could possibly achieve the results that it was claiming to achieve. But having not found a therapy that I felt really worked for me and my clients, I went on the training with an open mind. And it was on the training and receiving EMDR that I really had my mind blown, and my faith in EMDR really took off. It achieved results for me that I honestly don't think I would have achieved in talking therapy in half the time. So I went back to the CMHT and started using EMDR with my therapy clients on a daily basis, treating all kinds of presenting issues, not just PTSD, but other conditions as well. And I was having great supervision from a consultant at the time who encouraged me to go for my practitioner level, which I duly did. Having achieved that in 2010, I then went on and became a consultant in 2014, and from that point on have always supervised other EMDR therapists in the NHS, in private practice, individuals and groups, and all my work has been with adults, particularly adults with complex trauma presentations. So having done my consultant level in 2018, I went on to become a facilitator for Sandy Richmond, and it was under her excellent mentorship that I've become an EMDR Europe approved trainer. And I'm now in the really fortunate position of providing my own trainings, and my hope and intention with my trainings is that you will come on the training and have your mind blown in a similar way to how I did, and that your passion and enthusiasm for EMDR will be sparked by these.